technical person can become. What is impetus? Impetus marketing people are purely technical. Praveen Kakaria, Pankaj Mittal, Sanju Agarwal. He has joined as a marketing sales engineer in Impetus in the year of 1996. He started taking business from USA market. Why? Because moment any inquiry comes to any marketing person, he has to convey to the technical person, take in solution, take in a document, and then submit it to the customer. But Impetus took an immediate decision. We will hire a MBA professional with technical degree. So moment any IT order or IT inquiry will come to us, IT lead generate. They usually called lead generation. Lead generation means inquiry for some customer want some IT solutions for their something domain. Really they want to sell on internet. They want they want to develop ERP like that. Then Sanju Agarwal took over this responsibility, and they got immediate order from USA because the same person. So I think in perspective of engineering college, the engineering people will, I think, in my opinion, in within the 1 or 2 years, there you will surprise in Indore more than 3,000 companies are there. More than 3,000 companies. And who are the owner of that company? The students of CS and IT.
So
recently our student Tarang Khandelwal, he has opened a venture, earned 3 lakh rupees within 6 months of a span of time. He had serviced approximately 26 US customers. If you talk about our Akash Chitanglia or Charul, they started working with USA clients. They took directly projects from USA clients. They are solving the problems. If I talk about Nikhil Srivastava, they started taking the consultancy. If I talk about Pratik Rokadia, they opened his venture. And if I talk about most of the students, they are now inclining towards this business rather than doing the job.
So how difficulties the students are facing between they are doing the technical courses. So why would they prefer for an entrepreneurship?
If you put a boat in a river,
Yes, sir.
do you think the boat will not float over water? What barrier it will experience?
Several kind of hurdles.
No, never hurdles. It having capabilities to flow in a river. If somebody, we call it as a boat owner or navik, what we say. If they are he having patwa, he can cut
Yes, sir.
garment. So there is nothing barrier in opening the. I am a specialist of opening the venture of CS and IT.
Yes, sir.
In my gardens, 100 of students has opened their venture. I am guiding them. Even I am having a vision that my students should offer job to people.
Sir, and another thing that sometimes parent will feel that you should for a child that he should do a service rather than being an entrepreneur.
Now mentality has been changed.
Okay.
Now earlier why people is taking admission in engineering, because the neighbor son has taken the admission in engineering. Now parents is also recognizing that yes, one person who has just opened his venture is now owner of big company.
Yes, sir.
If you talk about the Tech Infinity, I talk about the CDN solution, if I talk about the cyber infrastructure, they are not born entrepreneur.
Yes, sir.
They are not born entrepreneur. If I talk about Paragon, if I talk about Morphosis, they are not born entrepreneur. They are from the service background.
Yes, sir.
That they realized that rather than doing the job, we should open the venture. Even GSRTS people and IIT people now started opening the ventures. They feel that we are most competent person to open the venture.
So what is the last thing would you like to say for the upcoming entrepreneurs or the students of our college?
I think Acropolis students are very talented in terms of technical. They need to expose more with the industries, and I'm trying to have an alliance with. Yesterday I was with the India head of in Diaspora. He's my good friend. I interacted with Sanju Agarwal from Impetus. He is the vice chairman of Impetus. I interacted with so many entrepreneurs. Even I am an entrepreneur. I am an entrepreneur. So I having a vision why should I be served as a single entity to in an organization without any identifications in that organization? And it will take approximately 10 or 15 years of work to make my identity globally in that particular company only. In limited number of people. If I will open a venture, I will get an identity. I will work for my industry. I will offer the job. I will get satisfaction. I will serve the society by offering jobs to the needful people. And my handling of employee will be different than definitely handling the employees in global area.
Thank you, sir. Very good.